All right, it's 7 a.m. in the morning. We are in the gangway, and we're off the ship. Not out of the port yet. We're off the ship, and we're heading to the train station. We're gonna go to London.
The next station is Southampton Airport Parkway.
We had to listen to the announcement, but we're on the train, and literally we're on the 7:30, right? Is that what it was?
Yes, it was already 7:20.
Oh,
He
man.
said he could get us on it. I was like, oh, that's amazing.
Oh,
We
man.
ran over, navigated some stairs with some suitcases.
This is our situation right here.
Or text the British Transport Elite.
We got our bags. Let's get this journey going. We're heading to London. Waterloo Station. Andrea. We're in London, Waterloo Station. We're going to walk to our hotel. Hopefully we can get in. All right, let's go over here. Ten till 9. We made it all the way from Southampton from 7:30 to 10 minutes till 9. Now we're going to talk about how we're going to get to the hotel. How are we getting to the hotel?
I think we should just get the subway, the underground or whatever.
Andrea wants to do the subway. Well, it looks like we're taking the subway. I'm thinking I'd like to walk it only because I just want to get out and get my steps in.
Oh boy.
Right there's the Thames River. And we're gonna head up there to that bridge. And then we're gonna get some video of the Thames River. This is that Telegraph Square. I believe our hotel is up around that corner. So we're right outside the hotel, and it's hopping. There's people walking all over the place. There's taxis, and right outside you've got this British phone booth. Well, let me give you an image of across the street. Let's do the front of the hotel. Beautiful day. So far, so good. The hotel's pretty impressive. Here it is, St. Martin's Lane. Let's hope we can get in. I went through the rotating door. She went through a regular door. Ay, ay, ay.